What's up guys, I'm Joe from Sawicki Speed. Today we got this 2025 Road Glide and we're going to put a Sawicki Intimidator Mid-Length welded system on. First thing we need to do is we need to get the bracket set up. So we take this bracket and the supplied bolts that are a little bit longer, a 1/4 inch longer. Next we'll install the bracket that goes to the transmission pan. And leave it loose. Next bracket. Then we'll connect our two brackets back here. Then we install our gaskets. Over here, make sure you put your gaskets in all the way. They're tapered and the flat side goes into the engine. Install our O2 reducers. Then an oxygen sensor. This flange goes in, tapered, recess cut out towards the engine, and then the clip goes in over. And then be sure your clip sits in that recessed area. Rinse and repeat. And we'll route our auxiliary cable here. Let's go ahead and route our O2 sensor wire. And let's do a rear primary. Let's route our rear O2 sensor wire. Plug them in. Now we're ready to install our mid-length welded Intimidator pipe. We're going to take the muffler into position, bring your bracket to the saddle. Slide in the dog bone and the supporting hardware. Next, let's go ahead and install our springs. And we'll go ahead and tighten up our bracket to the saddle. All right, next we're going to go ahead and tighten up all the remaining loose hardware on the bracket. Now we'll go ahead and we'll snug up all of our flange nuts to about hand tight. And we'll tighten up our flange nuts in order from the tops on each side and then below each side to 10 foot-pounds. Next we'll go ahead and install our floorboard with the supplied spacers. Next we install our cover. Don't forget your bag. A little brake clean or denatured alcohol. Wipe off all your fingerprints and oil, dirt, whatever may be on it. There you go. Sawicki Speed Intimidator Mid-Length welded.